Okay, so next question here. When carrying out an experiment to analyse domestic bleach, exactly 25 centimetres cubed of a bleach solution were placed in a 250 centimetres cubed volumetric flask diluted to the mark. Then we're told 25 centimetres cubed. So 25 centimetres cubed of this solution is my bleach solution. The resulting solution was then titrated against 0.1 molar sodium thiosulfate, and I'm told the following results were obtained for the three titrations: 25.5 centimetres cubed, 24.9 centimetres cubed, and 25.0 centimetres cubed. So we've a couple of things to do here before we start. Firstly, we have to find our average titration. Remember, when we're doing that, we always only include the one that agrees within 0.1. So 24.9 plus 25.0, we get the average. So we add the two numbers, divide by the number of numbers, 24.95 centimetres cubed. Next thing we're going to look at here is my ratio. ClO minus is to I2 and I2 is to S2O32 minus. So if I look here, 1 ClO minus, and my iodine again acts as my link between my first and my second equation. So 1 and then 1 is to 2 here. My iodines are the same, so my overall ratio 1 is to 2. I start again with my number of moles of sodium thiosulfate. So 0.1 means 0.1 moles per litre, which is 1,000 centimetres cubed. In this question, I haven't used 1,000 centimetres cubed. I've only used 24.95 centimetres cubed. So I multiply by what I know and I divide by the bit left over. So 0.1 by 24.95 divided by 1,000 gives 2.495 by 10 to the minus 3 moles. That is my number of moles of sodium thiosulfate. So I need to find out my number of moles in my sodium hypochlorite. So my ratio, 1 is to 2. And I've worked out I have 2.495 by 10 to the minus 3 moles of sodium thiosulfate. So multiply by what I know. And I divide by the bit left over. So I'm multiplying by 1 and I am dividing by 2, and that gives me 1.2475 by 10 to the minus 3 moles. That is the number of moles that I've used in this question. So that is in 25 centimetres cubed. I don't have 25 centimetres cubed in the question. I'm asked for it in moles per litre. So again, multiply by what I know and divide by the bit left over. So multiply by 1,000, divide by 25, gives me an answer of 0.0499 moles per litre. Now in the question, I'm asked for my number of moles in the bleach. Okay, so I have 25 centimetres cubed diluted to 250 centimetres cubed. So it is diluted 10 times. So in my bleach, I am going to have 0.0499 multiplied by 10. So 0.499 moles per litre. And that is my answer to part A. Part B then, I'm asked for it in grams per litre. So number of moles equals mass in grams divided by my MR. And it is of NaClO. 23 plus 35.5 plus 16 gives 74.5. So 0.499 by 74.5, and that gives an answer there of 37.1755 grams per litre. Finally, then we're asked for percentage weight per volume. Again, you can just divide that by 10. I'm going to show you the way in which it's done. So grams per litre is grams per 1,000 centimetres cubed. Anything with percent is 100 centimetres. So multiply by what I know, divide by the bit left over. and I get 3.71755 grams, or 3.7176% weight per volume. That's your answer to part 3.